Hello, boys and girls. My name is Miss Roxana. This week we are going to present and practice character names and introductions. Hello. Characters. Hello, I'm Mike. Hello, I'm Mike. Hello, I'm Leo. Hello, I'm Leo. Hello, I'm Polly. Hello, I'm Polly. Hello, I'm Gina. Hello, I'm Gina. Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Hello, I'm Mike. Very good. Mike. Hello, I'm Leo. Good. Leo. Leo. Hello, I'm Polly. Good. Polly. Polly. Hello, I'm Gina. Great job, Gina. Conversation. Listen to the next conversation. What's your name? I'm Sally. What's your name? I'm Alex. Great job. Bye-bye.